Hey guys, this is Mahar Shutterbug. So I'm bringing you my watch, the Fortis. I did an earlier video of this watch, but I did it with my camcorder. But now I brought my big gun. I shot this with my Canon EOS R and Tokina 100mm f1 2.8 macro lens. So this is a macro shot of my watch, the Fortis, with the Beads of Rice Bracelet by Belong and Sons. It's a French company. So the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of people would wanna buy a whole new watch just because of the bracelet. They didn't like the bracelet, or they didn't like how it looks with the original bracelet. But here, as you can see, like how the watch changed completely before I was replacing the bracelet. So, and also worth mentioning is this watch is actually very affordable. What I mean is you don't have to spend a lot of money to get this watch. It retails about $1,000. I mean, you don't have to necessarily get this watch in specific. I actually have more reviews coming for my other two watches that I have, which is, that's the genre I like in watches. I like two watches, so I'll be able to tell time with it easily, and they'll also be able to withstand if I wear it outdoors or anything like that. So here, as you can see, it's on my wrist right now. I apologize if there's smudges. I could not find a handy microfiber towel to clean up the watch. So you're probably wondering what's behind the watch right now. So it's actually my mechanical keyboard, which I'm actually want to do a review on it. It's made by Rocot. It's a gaming mechanical keyboard, but it is an amazing keyboard anyway. You can just use it for typing, because when you type on it, it just feels like a typing machine. It is incredible feeling, like a beating heart of this watch, because this watch have the ETA 2080 2090, I believe. Actually, let me just do a quick look of the watch, because I do have it pulled up on the website here. Watch buyers or watch buys, I can leave a link. They are authorized retailer for this watch. So let me just give you a quick look right here. Okay, but I know it's a 2090 or the 2097. It's a high-end ETA movement. That I know for sure. So this watch, case diameter is 40mm with case thickness of 9.5 and case lug width of 20, and the lug to lug is 48mm. So it actually wears really nice. You will see in a second when I put it on. And it's also, sapphire crystal, so it's a scratch resistance. Don't buy otherwise, because especially for me, I mean, I wear my watch every day, so it would really bug me if I see a scratch on the surface. So you can see here the movements of the watch is actually very nicely decorated. And you can see the Fortis logo, and then you can see the mainspring. So it beats, it's a high beat watch, so it's a 28,000 and something. A friend of mine saw it, and he immediately said, wow, this is like a Rolex. For some reason, people only think Rolex have nice movement, but no. A lot of Swiss watches have nice movements, like this Fortis, especially if they have an ETA, a high-end ETA movement, which this one does have. hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know if you have any questions.